Hello everyone, my name is Tirtha Rajpuri. I would like to welcome you for the presentation of Sprint Retrospective. The project title is Analysis of SA Hospital Data. I start with the team component. We started the Sprint2 on 3rd May and it ended on 21st May 2021. Myself, project manager, I have worked 8 hours per week for the 3 weeks, which sums up to 24 hours, and that is what the other members' contribution has been: Arun, Vasudev, and Mohammed Usman. We have completed 3 user stories, and one is still ongoing, and it's expected to go for the next 12 weeks. For each of the sprints, we have worked 1 week, which sums up to 24 hours. Now, if I quickly take on to our work for this particular sprint, it's on SA ambulance and emergency department responses, which is different from the first sprint, which was on SA hospital data. Here we have made a donor chart on SA ambulance responses in the last 6 years, which is grouped into emergency, non-emergency, and urgent. The other one is emergency department average waiting time for South Australia, which is in minutes, and we can see the trend has been increasing over the year. And we have also used forecasting for the emergency department average waiting time, with upper bound to be 28 and lower bound to be 24. Upper bound is the best case scenario, the worst case scenario, and the lower bound is the worst case scenario. And the actual is expected to be around 26 and is expected to further increase over the period of time. So, which indicates that there should be an immediate response from the SA health department to improve the average waiting time. Further it increases, it is more worse for the health department. We have also gone to SA ambulance responses yearly. Again, if you see the dotted line, which indicates the trend has been increasing, which is good in this case because the responses has been really better. And on the 4th chart, which has been the bar graph, we are trying to show the SA public hospital emergency responses for the year, and almost all the hospital has equal responses, which indicates that it has been really doing good. But with the average waiting time increasing, there is some need for the premier as well as a health department to immediately work on the emergency department. And if we have been listening to the news, there has been promises over the period of time that there will be certain increase in the emergency department for various hospitals. We have also tried to put the slicer so that we can individually see how has been the responses over the period, over each year. We can also compare 2 consecutive years if you would like to study more in detail, like it is happening. And here we have also tried to use the button with the bookmark, which will help you to navigate more easily. We have Sprint1. We can go to Sprint1 as well as Sprint3 with the use of the button. This has been our overall work for this particular sprint.
Hello everyone, today I will be talking about individual component of Sprint2. This is the project for analysis of SA hospital data, and my name is Basu. I am the dashboard designer in this project. What did I accomplish in this sprint 2? I have accomplished a lot in this sprint 2, in which I have learned how to do literature review in a specific data analytic format, and I have learned how to do Excel data analysis. I have learned stakeholder requirements specification analysis. I have learned a lot from the past sprint review as well, and I have learned how to select the right product feature selection in sprint backlog. And I have also learned trend analysis of specific data. This is our final dashboard, and in the second image here, this is our specific dashboard I have designed, in which I have talked about assay ambulance responses in the last 6 years. This is the evidence of our research articles we have used, and we have done lots of review in the processes in which we have talked with supervisors, our teammates through the WhatsApps and different sprint review and meetings. And this is our Excel charting documentation, and this is our in the second image, this is our stakeholder requirement specification analysis, in which we have finalized what specific requirement to solve. We have applied several stream-specific knowledges in which there are business analytics, data analytics, research skills, latest reviews, relationship diagram knowledges. And in the image, I have got relationship diagram images which we have applied in this stream 2, and which I have got from final dashboard. I have learned a lot in which I have learned planning and scheduling, experimentation and iteration, sketching and prototyping, exploring cross-functional ideas. What could have gone be better? Time estimation could have gone better. More relevant available data would have gone better, and inclusion of more research data could have gone better.